Welcome back. Yo, my chicken are running because I'm making noise. So chicks don't like noise, guys. Do you see them? So they're running together around. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, welcome back to another video of Makwala Agri. Over here we have our chickens that we picked up last week, and we have a mortality over here. There's a second mortality actually from the Lufafa chicks. So this is the second mortality. I remember last week on Friday we had these chickens coming inside our chicken house. So yesterday I found another mortality. Today I'm still found another one. And yeah, on the other side over there I've placed another 200 yesterday. So one of the reasons why I'm doing this is because my order from the other shop was cancelled. I had to order from the other shop. Yeah, man. This is not something that I usually do. I never placed. Yeah, and then we have a mortality from this side as well. But I'm not surprised with the mortality that I see from this side, because yesterday when we went to pick up these chickens, there's the mortality. I hope you can see it. So yesterday when we went to pick up these chicks, actually we were supposed to pick them up around 9 o'clock. Unfortunately they came late, so they're from National Chicks. So the guys from National Chicks arrived late, so I think around like 1 o'clock midday, and these chicks were tired, man. Like they were really tired. So yeah, we have another mortality over here. So yeah, it means that so far, because the total number of these chickens from this side and from the other side, they are 300. So it means like now we lost 3 out of 300. So we are left to 297. Yeah, I hope my math is right. So we're gonna be raising these chickens. We just wanna see. Actually, I think I should jump in and check if we don't have any more mortality. So we wanna try and raise these chickens and see if we'll come up right. Don't try this at home, guys. Don't try raise different chickens in like, let's say you're raising chicks that are on a different age in the same house. So I don't advise for anyone to do this. But with me is that my chickens are apart by 4 days. Yeah, so these ones, they are like 4 days old, and these ones are 2 days old, or a day old today. I don't know. Yeah, something like that. So guys, don't try this at home. I'm doing this because I don't have a choice, and I'm doing this because unfortunately someone decided to cancel my order. Then I had to procure the other ones from the other somewhere, and then I can't use the other house to raise the others. So I just have to put them in one house. But looking at the Lufafa ones, wow, they're growing nicely, Papa. Hey, I didn't expect this one from Lufafa. No, this is quality. And remember that I'm feeding always when I start my cycle. I start with a high protein feed. So I'm feeding high protein feed here. So let's go into procuring these chicks here. How much did it cost me to actually get this 100 chicks from Lufafa? The cost, it was 1,250 for the Lufafa chicks. Ne? Get it right. For me to buy these Lufafa chicks, the cost, it was 1,250. Then let's go to the National Chicks now side, where we having our chicks that came in yesterday. These ones they've been like here since Friday, and today's Wednesday. So they're like 5 days old, man. Yeah, they're like 5 days old. So the other ones, they are like a day old now, because they came in yesterday. So yeah, let's go to the other side and talk about the ones on the other side. But even this one side, I see that we still have some tiny ones, but most of them, they're growing nicely. So this is the national side. What's going on with that one there? Why are you hanging there, man? You can't hang there, my brother. You can't, man. People don't wanna eat when you are hanging there. Like you are one leg is inside the feeder. Come on, chief. Come on, chief. You can't, man. You can't relax there, chief. This chick. So this is a national chick site. So this is where we have our chicks from national chicks. Yeah, chicks from national chicks. So the cost of buying national chicks right now, yo guys, it's crazy. It's crazy. So we bought these chicks last week after the Lufafa decided to cancel one of our orders, and then we decided to rush to somewhere where they sell this national chickens. Look at the other one here. These chickens, you can't relax here, guys. It's because the light it's next to the feed. What's going on with you guys? Because there's another challenge that we have. Our space is too small, so now we find that our feeders will be next to the light, and then so on and so on. It's not really nice to have a feeder next to the light, so we'll try to remove that feeder over there and put it over here. Yeah, maybe we want to have the drama that we are having, so we'll just try to shift these feeders from lights, and then maybe we won't have the drama that we are seeing having over here. So guys, as I'm still saying about these chicks, so a box of national chicks, yo, it seems like they're feeling cold, ne? Look at over there, or maybe it's because I'm inside here, they're getting around like that. But yeah, we're gonna have some mortality. Look at this things. I need to get out of here, guys, because you know when you're making noise, chicken will gather together. The temperature is cool inside, but because I'm here, and then yeah. So guys, hey, this one is giving me chest pains, guys. Hey, but these chicks. Okay, the cost of buying the national chicks now. So a box of national chicks cost around 1,670 times that one by 2. You are getting 2 point. How much? It was 2 point something. Yeah, 2 point something. That's how much it costed me to buy these chickens. So the chicks alone so far, if you gather them together, like 1.250 plus 1,000. 1.6 times it by 2. Oh, you're getting a lot of money, chief.